What is up, Aerodrome holders? It's your boy Lex Money. We're back with another Aerodrome update. Now, before we do start the video, guys, I need all of you to run up that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment to let me know you're holding Aerodrome. Let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so it's been a while since we did an Aerodrome type update. We're going to look into some of the key areas on the chart that we should be paying attention to. We're going to look into how much gains we've made since the lows. And right now, everything is looking really good for Aerodrome, especially with the fact that ETH is now outperforming. A good chart here from Spetsnaz to show that others' dominance, if it can break this previous range low, guys, it's going to be fireworks for a lot of our top altcoins and a lot of the altcoins that have been showing strength over the past few days. These are most likely going to be the altcoins that do see the most significant pumps, guys. And I just wanted to remind you of this. This was an emotional chart from May. I posted a few of these that I bookmarked yesterday because around May, when I'm here trying to tell you guys stay patient and the comment section's flaming me, or people are just not happy with their bags, you know, you go onto Twitter and you see things like this where people were saying, right, we're going all the way down to like 90k, 85k, bear market is happening. And it just didn't happen, guys. And you fast forward a little bit, this was around here, right at the lows. Great buying opportunity at around 30 cents, right? 30 to 40 cents. Not bad at all. Even if you bought this trend line retest, that would have been fantastic, guys. Now nearly $1. And according to this chart, it looks like 66% is going to bring us to $1.53. And then we got $1.96 at around 200%. From where we are, guys. So I wanted to show you the coin glass chart, and right now we're printing an absolute god candle on the daily. We're coming up to a very key level of short sellers, okay, between 96 97 cents, and this can change, right? If we start to blow through this and liquidate it, I do believe we're going up to $1 pretty quickly, and you can see all the way to around $1.13. There's not much short stacked up there at the moment. Now this can change, and you can see the red zone start to increase maybe to $1.50, all the way to like $1.66, $1.70-ish. But right now, we could start to see a big god candle loading for Aerodrome. Remember, we've got to take out this wick at around 96.24. Now, guys, we come back to our Aerodrome chart that we've been tracking for a very, very, very long time. And right now, from the lows at around 30 cents to where we are now, we're up 250%. Now, I know a lot of you guys wouldn't have got that, but we did have a massive opportunity here at around, I think I gave it to you around 40 cents, 45-ish cents. Let's say 45 cents for argument's sake. You're doing 110% gains right now. You're up 110%, okay? Now, I do think a big key level of resistance is going to be $1.50 for Aerodrome. What goes up must come down, right? So if we can retest $1.50, which has been a previous level of resistance, and then maybe come back down to, I don't know, retest $1, retest $1.30, then that's going to be fine before we can go into price discovery. And remember, the breakout target, 1618 minimum target, is going to be around $3.60, at which point I will definitely start to take some profits out of Aerodrome. But the daily RSI divergence is looking really good right now, guys. We look like we're ready to invalidate this bearish divergence, guys. And we're actually flipping it into a bullish divergence. So we're getting higher lows and higher highs. Where is the writing tool? It's right here. Right, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, potentially going into higher highs and continuing higher lows. We'll just need a retest, maybe something like this, retest, and then continue to go up into oversold, or into overbought, sorry. And these overbought conditions can stay overbought for a pretty long time. I mean, right now, Aero is really outperforming the rest of the market. I mean, you look at this little small portfolio on the side, and 12% compared to a lot of our other coins, which are only doing like 4-5%. Some of these coins, you know, basically break even. Some of the top coins like AVAX, right, break even right now. Aerodrome 12% on the day. And something that's going to continue the pump is if Ethereum can continue this pump. Now, this has just been going vertical. So, again, we should expect some short, sharp pullbacks along the way. We did have a big level of resistance at around 3.3k, I believe it was. But just to get it spot on for you, it's going to be like 3.35k. So we're pretty much near it now, guys. So if we can get through 3.35k, we're going to be retesting the range highs at 3.6k, which again, ETH does good. Aerodrome does good. But with ETH so close, it would make sense that in one of these order blocks, we do find some resistance. Right now, it's showing really good strength, right? We found support on this green order block at around 66 cents on the daily. And now we're at the median of the sell order block. So we've got 3 above us on the daily. If we go to the weekly, even more clear, right? The biggest resistance is going to be $1.14 to around $1.40. And then break that is going to be around $1.95 to around $2.36. So remember, everybody who thinks $3.60 is too much of a conservative price target, if you were just to buy the range lows, you've done 1,000% on your Aerodrome bag. And that's why I'm definitely going to be taking a lot of profit out of my Aerodrome bag around the range highs. And then if we can get to $3.60, I would have taken out a bit more. And then we can aim for like $5 plus, guys. But right now, Aerodrome looking extremely strong. I don't want anybody to get carried away, feel like they have to FOMO, but still a decent price for Aero. Remember, the all-time high was $2. Right now, again, returns are going to be diminished. You're only going to be getting 145% compared if you listen to the channel and bought at 40 cents. You know, you'd be getting a 500% return. So everybody who bought Aerodrome at 40 cents, everybody who's been with me on the journey, you've been buying at 40 cents all the way to 60 cents. We can check out our 60-cent buys as well. That's going to give us a return to the all-time high of around 300%. You guys are doing really, really well right now, guys. So again, we're going to get super euphoric for Aerodrome. We're going to get super euphoric in the base ecosystem. We're going to cover some base memes in the next video. So if you want that, like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe as well. But that's just a quick update on Aerodrome to say they're the key levels of resistance I'm looking at. If we get pullbacks at these levels, that's absolutely fine. $1 is going to be a psychological resistance zone. So mentally, be prepared for that. But that's it. If you made it this far, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe. Let me know what coin you want me to cover in the next video. Peace.